Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at an Excel macro virus called Barisada. Now this macro virus is fairly interesting in the way it infects Excel spreadsheets. Instead of infecting a document with its macros itself, it drops a startup Excel file that all new Excel sessions point to, and then also infects every new Excel file with its macros. If we go ahead and run standard Excel, starts up as Microsoft Excel Book 1. We get Clippy, as usual, Microsoft Excel Book 1, nothing going on. We can exit out of it. We will now run the infected Excel sheet. It contains macros. Of course, we want to run them. Go. So we have some sort of form, looks like a price list of some sort. We don't have the character set to really display this in its full glory, but the only thing that really matters is now we're infected with the Barisada macro virus. Close out of this. We get a new warning, a file named khm.xls in the Excel start directory already exists. Do you want to replace it? No. So we closed it, and now we have a seemingly frozen copy of Excel open here. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to kill this with Control-Alt-Delete. No, we're good. We don't need to save it. Please go away. Why can't we close it? I don't know, but we're just going to get on with the video. Oh. Alright, we closed it. Now let's get on with the Barisada macro virus. Now, every time we run Excel, even from the run command prompt, we can see we start up as khm.xls. This is no longer just a standard blank document. We are running the macro with every new Excel window we run. So if we were to type something in here, say cool stuff, value, can't type, value, A, B, C, no, C, 1, 2, 3. Alright, good document. Save this on our desktop. Not as KHM, which is now the default blank file name, but as test. Close out of it. And when we run it, we see we get another macro warning, although we did not insert any macros into this workbook. But, being the naive office worker that I am, those macros might be important. Let's run them. So we are running test.xls, but if we take a look at the macro Visual Basic Editor, we will see we have both khm.xls open and this new one, test.xls. So in every sheet on the workbook, and in the workbook itself, on everything that's ever opened, they all get injected with this macro code. And if we take a look further, we can see there is a payload that is attempting to drop itself on April 24th at 2 p.m. So let's close out all this crap, change the date. Okay, April 24th, 2 p.m. Let's run it again. Okay, don't always ask. We want to run the macros. Yes, I'm sure. Let's go. Come on. This is a Danawalked 1 video. We got to get on with it. And the macro did not activate. Cool. Alright, let's close this. Why isn't it activated? Okay, let's actually change the date. Now it should actually work. So, upon running it, we get a sort of question and answer game in which you'd better answer the question right, or you lose your Excel data. So, question, what is the sword which Carl Steiner equals Gray Scavenger used? Answer, Barisada. I think yes. Oh, I will give you one more chance. Be careful, okay? Summoning Xavier is the ultimate magic, right? We'll say, wrong answer may cause a serious problem, so here we go, yes. Okay, I will forgive you. Right answer. Alright, we did it. We did it, Reddit. Alright. So we're going to close. Oh, okay, it's coming again. No, good, you're authorized now. Okay, so answering those questions with those values will save your data. But let's see what happens if you get it wrong all the way. So yes and no. You shall die. Wrong answer, your file will be deleted. Okay, and nothing happens. So let's go into this virus and see if we can actually fix it so that it'll actually delete our data. Tools, Macro, Visual Basic Editor. We will change this one. So let's see what it's actually trying to do. So, wrong answer, your file will be deleted. So from the first workbook to the end, and for every worksheet in those workbooks, we select all the cells and clear them. And then we go to the next one. So let's just do cells.clear. That should work. So let's try it. Alright. Yes. And no. Go. Ooh, I think it went blank. Let's load it up and see. Oh no. What did we do? Oh, we broke it a little too hard, I think. The integrity of Microsoft Excel depended on that line staying the way it was. Oh no, it worked. Never mind. Okay, so it looks like we're good, but we see our data still there. Oh, okay. So we got it to delete the one cell we had selected. So that is a little more progress than the virus author initially had, which did not delete anything. And if you wanted this virus to be truly capable of spreading its destructive capabilities, you'd have to edit every single workbook and worksheet's code to contain this updated code, or go back and update the main khm.xls spreadsheet to have this master code in it before it started infecting everything on your system, in order for it to actually delete the stuff in your workbooks. Is it that much to ask that your virus works properly? So I think we're going to have a little fun with this one. So, first question is, question. Let's highlight this. Question. Will Nanoct1 make more than 2 videos in 2020? We'll say this is, you've been paying attention. We'll change this to, you obviously haven't been watching lately. Pay more attention. We'll change the last question to, Nanoct1 loves to stick to a consistent and clear video schedule, right? So let's change that to no, and we should be good. So save, close, close. So question, will Nanoct1 make more than 2 videos in 2020? Answer, Barisada. Oh, I forgot to change that one. Oh well. Yes, you obviously haven't been watching lately. Pay more attention. Nanoct1 loves to stick to a consistent, clear video schedule, right? Yes. Uh-oh, your file will be deleted. Oh, we crashed Excel again. Perfect. And, oh, we're back to what is the sword used? Yes. No. Okay, and since we had them all selected, it actually did clear our stuff. Can we Control Z? Oh, no, we can't. But we can just say no, we don't want to save the changes. Uh-oh, here's Nanoct1 again. Okay, we're forgiven, and when we load it back up, our values are still there. So all in all, not a very dangerous macro virus, but an interesting way of actually infecting the system and becoming really widespread in pretty much any Excel file that opens up. So not very dangerous, slightly annoying for an hour every year, and easily editable to impress your friends and make some nerds who are watching videos about computer viruses on YouTube laugh. Well, hopefully laugh. So, that's about it. Hopefully this isn't actually the last video for 2020. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.